This conference will now be recorded.
See, there is like a mock interview, just 10 minutes I'm asking you. Like if you go for any interview point of view, there are like a few questions is common questions, standard questions will be there. Those are first one, tell me about yourself. So this tell me about yourself, tell about right now you're working as a Pega experience. Okay, so one minute. So tell me about yourself if I ask anyone. So now after training, so you are going to add a 3 plus of experience in your resume. So the same level we have to tell that. For example, this is Madhav. I have total light industry 10 plus of experience, but the current last 3.5 years or 3 plus of experience or 3 years or whatever you have gaps. Okay. So I have last 3 years I'm working as a Pega developer in this company. I have certified CSA and CSSA if you want also. So this is tell me about yourself means you have to give this is the answer. And next one, tell me about your project. So as of now, I will give that project for you. What project you need to keep. Then tell me about your role and responsibilities. Okay, next third question is tell me about your role and responsibilities. My role, I'm working as a Pega developer in my current project. My responsibilities, every day I'm getting requirements and understanding and designing those requirements by using of all Pega rules. Those are user interface rules, process flow rules, activities, decision rules, declarative rules, case type, data type, and reports. So they are by using of daily these rules, I'm designing requirements. Even daily, I'm using all debugging tools, and I am one of the key resource in my project. I'm helping to my team members for understanding business functionality level, technical level. I'm helping to my team members. And daily we have status meetings. I'm attending and informing to my lead. So they are the responsibilities. We need to say that this is a common responsibility. There is no change because you all are going to work as a Pega developer. Okay, that's first question. The fourth question, what are the challenges you faced in your project? I'll give answer this one. Please note it. Please note these questions. Open the document. Every day what I'm saying the questions, we have to write it and one answer also with your own words you have to update it. Just don't copy. So understand it and write it. Then you never forget. Simply writing definitely will forget. Without understanding, please don't update it. So there are common questions. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about a project. What is the role and responsibilities in a current project, and what are the challenges you face? The four questions will be there. Okay. Now, please, these four questions noted. Now I'm going to asking you project challenges. Just note it. Answer you don't know as of now, but Tell me about yourself and your role and responsibilities. I give the answer. Please note it. Next questions. Technically, if we'll go for technically, what is PRPC? Nikita, can you please unmute you? Nikita, please unmute.
Yes,
What is PRPC?
PRP, PRPC is Federal Process Command. It is
Bit
used
loud,
for
Nikita. Go ahead. Pega rules process commander. Okay, what is that?
it is
It is a combination of PR and PC.
yes,
PR means Pega rules, PC means process commander. Another name business rule engine and business process management.
process management.
This combination of we are calling PRPC. Good. Hi Kalpana. Can you please tell me that what are the rules available in the Pega product?
Uh,
Just try, madam.
ru-
I'll help you.
Rules engine.
No, what are the types of rules I'm asking you? Types of rules. Okay. Shiva. Okay. Vivek. Vivek,
Collection,
are you there?
classroom, property types,
Yes. Hmm.
decision tree,
Hmm.
activity types,
Rule set
behavior,
rule, class rule, property rule, decision rule, declarative rule, activity rule, user
user
interface
interface,
rule, process flow rule. They are the basic, the main rules are available in the Pega product and advanced reports, integrations, agents, debugging tools, case type, data type. They are the rule types are available in the Pega product. By using these rules, I'm going to developing application on Pega platform. Okay, okay, fine. Can you please tell me what are the Pega capabilities are there? Are Pega features? Or why have to use Pega tool to develop my current application? If you go for this interview, they will ask you this question also. After seeing your resume, so this project even I can develop by using of Java, .NET. Those all are the free softwares in industry. But why you are using Pega tool? Can you please tell me that, Vivek or Sujana? Yeah, Vivek.
Using
Yes.
using
Pega.
Yeah, sorry, Sujana. Vivek is saying yes, Vivek.
It is because of quality within time or quality of services in operational phases and making profit within minimum time frame. That's why we are going for the Pega and
Hmm.
features involve they are independent of platform,
Hmm.
independent of independent of application,
Okay.
and some more features are there like integration, debugging,
Hmm. Okay, good.
drag and drop.
Okay.
Again, no coding is required anywhere.
Mm.
You have to
Mm.
use rules.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Vivek. Right.
Reporting feature is there.
Mm.
All these features on its own provides the comfortableness to have it used.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Srijana, can you please continue? What remaining features are there?
So main is time. Within less time, we can able to complete a project, and we have
Mm.
inbuilt rules where we will not spend more time to create the rules.
Mm.
And if we want any new rules, also we can create it according to a project.
Mm.
And
Mm. So
uh,
we have agent role, DCO role, right?
yes,
Mm. Multi-threading features, security mechanism, automation deployment.
yeah, internal debugging tool where testing is not required.
Mm.
That is an optional one.
Mm. Good. So there the features are available in Pega tool. That's why we chosen Pega tool to develop our application. Okay, good. So where we can see our Pega information because Pega is licensed product, right? So we never get any outside, maybe even from Google also. So that's why where we can get all kind of related about Pega product related information.
In
Is there any
Pega
website?
community.
Yes, that is Pega PDN or Pega community.
Yeah.
So from the Pega community, we can get all the information. So we have to register there. Okay, good. What are the if are what are the roles are available in the Pega project, Nikita? What
Different
are the
class,
roles available in Pega project?
classroom,
Not rules, not rules, roles. ROLE, roles in Pega project. Not rules. RULE, not rules. Business architect, project manager,
Lead, lead developer,
mm. So solution architect, lead system architect, senior system architect, CSSA, CSA junior of system architect, tester, administrators. So if you talk about users, end users, they're the people will be there to enter into your develop your application. So our role is developer role. In the developer role, what are the certification career path is there? Can you please explain anyone? In the developer role,
it's
certification career
CSA,
path. Yeah, yes, Vivek.
it's
CSA
about
first
CS
level one,
and CSSA.
then next
Although
level CSSA. Okay.
although we can go for LSA also, but that
Yes.
one is again after these two
Mm.
certifications.
So first certification, initial certification for everyone common CSA, Certified System Architect. After that, CSSA or developer role, Certified Senior System Architect. Then after that, high level position, CL is a lead certified lead system architect. There is part 1, part 2 will be there. Okay, BA said CPBA, certified business architect. Certified Pega business architect. The different other portfolios are there, but you don't want all the things. Okay. So if anybody asks you that, you don't forget the about certifications what are there inside the Pega system. Okay. So what is the latest version we are using in our project? So just say that as of now you are learning 8.6, but in the project level don't say 8.6. I'm using 8.2 because you're going 3 plus of experience, right? So in that we are going to keep 3 plus 2 projects. So one project you can keep 8.1. One more project maybe you can add it 8.3 or 8.4. Don't keep in the latest 8.6 because it came just I think so 2 months back 8.6 version. We are learning, okay, no? That's okay. What version you are using? That is anyhow we'll see that when you're preparing the resume time. Okay. Next, what are the types of softwares they released by the Pega system? Kalpana, can you please? Or Shiva? Anyone?
Oh, no idea, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, not a problem, Kalpana. Yes, Vivek, Sujana, Nikita. There are two types of software released, right? Pega, personal
P
edition, Pega. Yeah,
and okay.
Pega.
P and
Hmm. Just go ahead, go Vivek.
no, you can.
Pega Personal Edition, Pega Enterprise Edition. One is for learning purpose, one is for to develop your real-time project. Both should be same only, no, already told that. But few things, restricted features inside the personal edition. You know how to install Pega software in our machine. Even without installing Pega software, how we can use, you know that. It is called Pega Cloud. Pega Cloud option. Okay. So this is we discuss. Now open that. And one more thing. In the Pega platform, as in Pega project, as we have number of roles, all people need to work inside the Pega platform. So for every role purpose, they given different areas. So can you please tell me that what are the areas they given here? Can you please? What are the areas?
It's I think development, application,
Hmm.
and admin.
Hmm. Correct only, Vivek. Tell me.
They're
Developer
given the
role.
developer role, application role for
No, sorry.
LSA type of email.
Designer Studio or Developer Portal.
Okay,
App Studio.
admin
Admin
studio,
Studio. Correct. There are one more Production Studio.
production studio.
Manager Studio. Manager Portal. So
Manager
they are
portal
the
is your application portal, na?
application portal. No. Manager Portal is different, right? Is separate rule for them also we given that separate area, but is not working, right? Just management activities. That's not a studio. So if you go for launch option, we have manager portal
Okay.
here, case manager.
Okay.
So our area is developer studio or developer portal, designer studio. You can call any name. Okay, now we are in the our developer studio. You know what are the options will be there here. That's next, how to create our own setup. We log in using of administrator credentials, but I want to create our own setup on Pega platform. That is we saw last class. It's called how to create the operator ID. So last week we created about for creating of operator ID, we need mainly two inputs. One is organization structure and application. So organization structure we know how to create it. So what is organization and division and organization unit? We created. After that, we created Srujana. Maybe Srujana going to join our project. So we need to give the access for her. So I have to create account for her. So we
Some
created.
disturbance. Uh,
Yeah, please mute others. Okay, now okay.
yes, mother.
Yeah, thank you. So so we saw that we created operator ID by seeing the work tab, ICAC, IT internal. And then I created operator ID. So we updated security tab, password we updated. But what about application? This is we are just after login Sujana, she has to know destination. Without knowing destination, where she will go. Even why we are creating account for her, she has to work some application. But as of now, did you create your own applications? We never create. We never created application. But what how to do? How to assign the application? There are in the inside the Pega product, default application is there. Okay, inside the Pega product, we have default application. That is business
Mother,
rule.
are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, you're not able to see?
Uh,
Oh,
no.
okay. Yes, yes, Sujana.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, sorry. So just to log in the Pega application with administrator rule only, and now just open it. Sujana operator ID last week we created Friday. There I'm just showing that organization structure and security tab what we updated last week, password also. Now profile tab, I'm just showing you. So how there was default application will be there inside the Pega product where all ready-made rules are stored. Otherwise, how we can use, right? If is there rules someplace, then only I can reuse it. If it's not there, then how we can reuse? So they kept all ready-made or inbuilt predefined rules inside the business rule engine application. So we don't have any. So we need we can assign that application as of now temporarily for Sujana. How we can assign so that application also have security. For every if there is any application I want to use means I should be member in that application. If you want full rights for that application, so we need access is required. Even for example, I'm going to join in the HCL organization. There is to handle all the employees. We have employee resource application will be there. If you want to access that application, should be employee in the ICL organization. If you are an outside people, then definitely I won't get access for that to use that application. ICICI Bank, it should be have account member, then only I can use ICICI application. HDFC, so for everything should be member account, then only I can use it. So how should that is main? Now we are doing the same thing. So how they will provide security for your application using of access group. Using of access group, they will provide security for the any application. What do you mean access group? You saying that providing of access group, providing of security for your application. This access group is contains general. If you open that is called access group. So as of now, how we can get that application access? We need for your application Pega Rules 8 version. That's called business rule engine. So I want to get the access means through access group. So how we can assign any application to the any operator ID using of any operator. Sorry, how we can assign application to the any operator using of access group. How we can assign the application using of access group. We have default application for that. What is the access group name? Prpc double colon administrators. There are number of access will be created. If you see that for this application for managers, administrators, users, different groups will be there. But why I'm assigning administrator? Because full permissions will be there. I want all the rights of this application. That's why I can use administrator group. This access group, if you open this contain application and roles maybe is a developer or managers, everyone, whatever. It will contain the application and roles. Those roles, how they going to use what? So I want to use this application right after giving of permission. So using of portal, which portal based on the role is a developer portal, admin portal. Why is taking this much time? Oh, you just fast. This much time is taking. I can show you that. Or if you open, there is like how to open the access group. Every box side there is symbol which is called open rule. Open. So I clicked that one. So now I can see it what is there inside access group rule. So that's why I'm going to see that now. Open, close and open one more time. Yeah. Access group is contain application as of now Pega rules, which version that you know. And how we can use what based on the role is a developer, manager, studio, whatever you have to give it. It contain the roles, portals, and available roles also. So who are going to use this application? Okay, this is access group. If open this, as I told you, it's a combination of BRE and BPM, right? But as of now, still only BR is there is no BPM, correct? I'll show you that when, as I given the statement, is a combination of BRE and BPM. As of now, only BR is there. There is no BPM. I'll show the statement. Okay. Now as of now default application given the I assigned to the Sujana. Now save it. So now we'll inform to Sujana. Sujana, from now onwards we given created account for you. You can use your own credentials to work from now onwards. Then she will log in, log off. Sujana. Yes, yeah. Password is rules we given that day. Okay, RULS rules. So like this, everyone you need to create your own setup in our Pega platform. So this is yes means Sujana. I want to see Sujana profile. Select on that. So as of now, Sujana is working. Right. Yeah. Sujana is working in the ICIC in this division and this unit in this application. What is that? These all things. I'll tell you later. Okay, still you didn't create the application, right? So they are the for this application, how you designed all the rules are available down. Okay, we'll see that later. What is that? So now I created separately. So she is ready to work right now. But only one operator. But like that, I need to create as I'm an administrator. I want to create for all of them remaining who are going to work here. So again, I need to create for the Kalpana or Vivek or Nikita or Uday, Shobha, Sridhar, Shiva. Everyone I want to create it here. Chaitanya for everyone. Same project, they're not changing. Correct. So you want to create again operate Organized structure? No, not required. Only one time only. Because these all people are going to work in the same project, right? So we have to create for one more developer. I want to create the account organization under operator ID. We have to select operator ID rule. So for example, Kalpana, all the list of the people. We also going to work the same application. We need to update the same organization. Go for security or ULS rules. If you want, you can whatever you want, you can update it. But for me, easily remembering purpose, I'm just giving that and assign the application. Right? What application? Prpc. Select radio button. Save it. Okay. So now successfully created for Kalpana. I'm going to inform Kalpana also. I'm going to give shortcut. Okay, I want the same data every time we are going to use, right? For one more operator. For maybe Nikita or Vivek. Anyone you can write it.
Madhav,
Nikita.
default time zone is America zone itself for what?
Sorry, Vivek.
In the earlier screen, it was showing time zone as America.
Ah, America.
So
I just
default
write. You want you can update it.
default one,
You want you can
default
update.
one.
Whatever your India timing, right? You want you can update it.
Okay, default one is America only.
Oh yeah, the American only. No. So Nikita. Like this. Nikita. So I want same information, right? So instead of every time copy, entering, I'm just copying that data to the in from existing to new rule. So save it. So password also same, right? Same password. And change here Nikita. Like this for all operator ID. One more. How many people you want? Now Vivek and Shiva. Like this all the people. Okay. That's it. No, like that, all of the who are how many developers going to work? Not only developers, sir, we are manage everyone. So I am the main role to create the account. So I will create all of them and I give the access. Now they have setup is ready. Now the setup is ready. They have to start their work. But as of there is just setup is ready. We are going to start from scratch. It means from starting onwards. There is no new any existing application. It is a new application completely. So administrator made it setup is ready. Setup is ready. All installation done successfully and created account for everyone also. But still we are in the as we have Pega SDLC, right? Software development life cycle, inception stage, elaboration. Please mute others.
Madhav, just a
Inception.
query. Hello,
Yes, so Vivek.
Madhav. Madhav, it is only just 4 or 5 people you are talking about. If we have hundred of people, then we have to do it for individual person like this only. or we have alternate itself so that we can give in one way and all the things are created
No, we have to create this is the way only. We have to create the account like this only.
individually. If our
Yeah, individually.
if our 1,000 users, then we have to create users
Thousand you
one by
developers will
one.
be there. 1,000 developers.
Yeah, it may be possible in around the world the developers are there, yeah, for a single project.
No, no, I will see 1,000 developers won't be there here generally.
So fine, take
Like,
it 100 itself.
hmm.
If we have to if we want to have 100 developers itself, then
Hmm.
again we have to go for 100 times itself for creating the account.
See that is no. That's why we have to create the manual and option. I need to give the permission all of the people, right? We have to create
Okay.
it.
Okay.
See, yeah. So, what point we discussed? Yeah. So once we created, we are going to start SDLC, right? That those are like inception, elaboration, construction, transition. Still, we are in the elaboration stage. Our stage is construction, so still we didn't move there. Now LSA people will be involved. Now administrator role is over. Now LSA will be involved. Why? When you want to design application means first I want base application is required, right? So
Yes.
if you want to create, declare your own business functionality means I want separate platform. So we are in the Pega platform only, but Pega platform they didn't give chance for you to directly declare in my application. Already application will be there. Pega rules I can keep there. I can declare there. So Pega system is saying that this product release is not for you, for all of them. Use me, don't modify me. Okay, you can use me, but please don't modify me. So what I have to do, on me, you can create your own application. Then you can declare whatever you want. If you want, you can use me. By using me, you can create your own application. There you can declare your all whatever is required rules. But I'm not giving access directly directly declaring your business functionality in my application. Because if you declare it, mean you are modifying Pega product. But this is not for you, all of them. So even don't underestimate, it is very difficult for me to have control. So for easily controlling and handling maintenance everything, if you keep your things separately on me, that's good for me. So what they're saying that for your for your business functionality purpose, you can create your own application on me. Before declaring purpose, first I have to create the base template, base application on Pega platform. That is BPM application. Your application is BPM application. First you create the base platform, then only I can do whatever you want. Right? Generally house also do the same thing, right? By base foundation. After that, once the base foundation is ready, they can do number of things, whatever they will your requirement. How we have to create new application or how to create the base application on Pega platform. As you know that application menu. There are new just refresh. Why new application is disable is there as of now? Just refresh. Log off, log in one more time. Yeah. Select under application menu new application. I'm going to create. For creating of base application on the Pega platform, there are 3 mandatory inputs are required. What are that? Number 1, organization name. Number 2, application name. Number 3, application structure. What do you mean that? What kind of structure I have to create? See, when you're going to constructing your house, you are going to contact engineer will give the plan, that is structure, how your house structure. Using of engineer structure, you are going to creating application on, you're going to creating a house, right? The same, why you have to do the, why you are following an engineer plan? Because our requirement, our satisfaction, everything what you are expected, everything will come. And different type of things, right? Maybe you can see that about vastu, everything will be there, right? People will see that. So the same thing logic here also. First, build from scratch. Click, I'm going to create from scratch, means new application. Continue. There are 3 categories will be there. These are like what is saying that already we have ready-made markups are there. You want to use those markups with style sheets, cosmetic style sheets. So there are like a different markup. This is one different markup. No, I don't want. I want to go for traditional, normal markup only. We'll use UI kit, user interface kit. Select it. Now we have to provide. Already 725. Okay, I don't want. I wanted to discuss more here. We'll see the tomorrow how to create tomorrow agenda. How to create new application on Pega platform, and after that how we can assign that application to the current operator ID. Those are the future, they are the points we'll see that tomorrow. Okay, and just see that today class I'll send you a recording. If there any questions, please watch it and review it. If you have any question also, first to see that your own, like start searching of Google and Pega PDN and find the answer. If you do that way, so we can avoid dependency. Still, if you're not getting, and let me know, we'll discuss also now upon that. Why I'm telling you go for your own search. So that if you now start from now onwards, if you start that is the practice in the real time also, you can avoid the dependency. So that is the, I'm just telling you. Otherwise, I'm ready always to give the answer for your questions. Okay, no? That's one thing. That's okay. We'll meet you tomorrow. Any questions? Kalpana, Nikita, Shiva, Srujana, Vivek, and others who are not joined today. You'll see the, please watch recording and let me know. Okay.
Sir, one question. Uh, like every time when we install the application, no need to, like when we need to shut down only PC. No, we should
Yeah,
not
you
shut
have
down
to, no, when we
server.
no, if you stop this, if you don't want, you're going to close your application, you have to stop the server. Otherwise, problem will come, Kalpana.
Yeah, that's what
Now,
sir. Means
now see
okay.
that I'm going to close. So now your class is over, right? So for other
Yes.
class, I'm going to is different. I am going to log off the application and shut down the server. When it's not required, you need to close this way. Kalpana?
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Then we'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.